Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly we learned about how to install Mediapipe library. Today we are gonna continue to play with this Mediapipe. Actually, if you did not yet watch the first video about the installation, maybe you can first of all watch that video, then come back to here again. So I want to continue to try these examples because I'm interested and I want to see how they are actually working. So the focus of this video is gonna be the image segmentation. Here the image segmentation actually is very famous in computer vision area. Mostly directly the simple example, Zoom teams are using this often, and you can see the basically it's just taking the human and blurring the background, or you can play around with these results because you already get your segmented image. So this is basically giving us that. I don't want to focus to the explanation and how it's doing this one. I just wanted to try code and see the result, how it's working. So I'm going to Python page. Actually, there is no C++ support for this image segmentation. In installation part, we already see the C++ is only available, the build is with Bazel, but Python you can directly with command line, just like python test.py, and but for C++ you need to build only with Bazel. So this is a difference between C++ and Python. So we are gonna focus to the Python side, and there is an example code here. Let's go to here. Since I already come back here before, I think maybe it's gonna directly give me no. Okay, this one I already simplified and put here. There's only 50 line code here. Basically I just simplified it, and here it's just installing the Mediapipe like this, but I suggest you to watch my video and install according to that part because it's really secure, I can say. And here there is a light model which is used for the segmentation. You need to get this model to be able to run this script in your environment, but you can directly also run as I did in here in the collab. Before downloading, you can put your images and you can try how it's working. Basically it's just getting the models, it's just downloading installing the Mediapipe, and after that also there is an image it's getting, and after that first of all it's showing the image. I want to use this image, is saying, and after that first of all loading the model, the light model, and after that it's just segmenting. Since this is light, do not expect a very perfect results. This is for just experimentally trying. I'm sure there are other models which is very accurate, but this is we are also gonna focus to the light model for this video. Also after that, it's just after getting this information, because everything clear now, it's just blurring the background with simple some functions like Gaussian blur. Okay, this code is doing what I did. I just get the same code, I can say, and here okay, after that I just made all simplified, and I'm reading the images, showing all the images. I'm gonna try 3 images in here, 1 2 3. So if you install the Mediapipe like I did in my video, in the other video, so after you put your images anywhere, you need to put your Python script into the Mediapipe and the Python. What is that here? So otherwise it's not gonna see the some libraries like this Mediapipe, tasks, Python, these kind of things is not gonna recognize. So you need to put your Python script into here, like the other Python examples of the Python also in here. So you need to put here, as I did, test py is my example, as you see in the Visual Studio. You need to put here, since then you can easily see the other imported libraries easily. Okay, I want to try these images. This is the image is trying, and this is me, this is me also. Let's try how it's working, how it looks like. Okay, this is the image, this is the second image, this is the third image. So this is the same result as expected in the collab we already tried, and this is the blurred. This is me. You see it's blurred the background. We can also increase the dose according to just playing by this Gaussian like this. For example, I want to try it like this and see how it looks like. Okay, you see now the background is more blurred. It's just a simple Gaussian blur, so we do not see anything. Yeah, There are some, as I said at the beginning, this is not a really accurate, that's why the name is light. But if I also, maybe in another video we can also play with the accurate results, accurate models, but light model is working like this. But for most of the cases also enough. My segmentation video also you can check. I tried with C++ and some different methods, and in there you can check how I did in there if your focus is segmentation. But for this video simply I'm just curious about this Mediapipe examples. We tried image segmentation for this video. Maybe in the next video we can continue with the others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.